Hello again. Today we're looking at a few phrasal verbs. First one, get down. Get down. To come down from place up high to down below. You could use this in a sentence. Get down from that tree. Sometimes it's used in a more serious situation. Your boss could say to you, can you get down to it, please? Maybe if you're a bit relaxed and you're not doing your work very well, your boss would say, "Oi, get down to it." It just means stop relaxing, start working. Okay? Another one we're going to look at is fed up. Fed up. It's a feeling that you have, this phrasal verb, fed up. Oh, you're looking disappointed or annoyed. So outside's raining today, so I'm fed up. I can't go out. I'm going to get wet. I can't go out for a run. I'm fed up. So a feeling of disappointment or annoyance. Fed up. Next one is top up. Top up. If you have a mobile phone and it runs out of credits, you want to top it up so you can have more talk time. So to get more is to top it up. If you have a glass that is just half full and you want to pour more into it, you can say, "Can I have a top up, please?" To pour more into something. And the next one we're going to look at together is to try on. Try on. If you're in a supermarket and you look at an item of clothing that you think, "Oh, I quite like that, but I want to make sure that it fits me." You could try it on to see that it fits. So we usually try clothing items on in a changing room. So to try on in a changing room. Okay? Now, one phrasal verb I haven't got on my list is an action that I'm going to do now. Okay, my room's usually well lit, but if I did this, I've just got the lightness of the screen. My light has went out. Phrasal verb, to go out, past tense, went out. Okay? So those are just some of the phrasal verbs that I wanted to look at with you. And phrasal verbs are usually verbs plus preposition. And they always go together. Okay? See if you can make sentences yourself using some phrasal verbs in the comments below. And I will see if you have got them correct. Or maybe you need some more help with them. Okay? Thank you so much for watching my video on phrasal verbs today. If you want to find out what's in my video logs, just have a look at that, wherever it is. I think it's on that side. My subscription button. Have a subscribe to my channel. And there's a few videos on the end screen that videos will be coming up soon for you to watch. And there's a favoured one of all my viewers, and I've put that on there, the one that's people are liking a lot. Thanks very much for watching today. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Bye bye for now.